All right, it's been about 4 or 5 months since I've uploaded, but I live in the state of Arizona and it is way too hot in the summer to be doing videos. It's not good for the RCs because it runs so hot. It's 110, 115 out, and then you're running these and it just burns up stuff. But if you come around this way and come in close, this is going to be the redcat Kauji. This comes in at 430 bucks off redcatracing.com. Everything is pretty much stock on here. The only thing I did buy, because I live in Arizona, is this double fan heat sink, which I think I spent around 20 bucks for. It runs on a 4S battery, single pack battery, and then we also have redcat mania going on right now, so now we have this over here. We also have a redcat shredder. This has been out, I want to say 5-6 years, somewhere along that point. This is a lot bigger. This is I want to say 1/5 to 1/6 scale. This is the Kauji sitting on top of it, so you get a scale of how big it is. This is kind of like a really big 1/10 scale. And then inside of here, both of them are brushless, of course. Right here's the motor on this one. It's got big giant tires on there. This one runs on two 2S packs that you put in the side. Otherwise, it's pretty much completely stock on this. It has nice metal adjustable shocks right here, metal drive shafts. It also has middle gear right here, so it can get less power or more power to the front or back. That way it doesn't want to pop wheelies as much. And then we're going to put the bodies on and we're going to drive both of them so you get a look at it. You want to pause? Alright, we're just figuring out a new phone with the camera. So, alright, first off, we're going to take the shredder out. This is 4S brushless setup, 1/6 scale. Like I was saying about the middle differential, as you can see, when I give it gas, the front tires will balloon up more, which stops you from popping wheelies and gives you a lot more drivability. And of course, it's going to come with the normal redcat 2.4. It's their RCR 2CE remote. Works fantastic, goes far. Simple, basic, but it works. Underneath the lid of it right here, you got your normal, reverse for your steering, your throttle, all your adjustments right there. Pretty simple, basic. Now we got the Kauji. Get ready for this bad boy. This has a center diff also, so it's not like the Arma's. I bought a 4S Arma and it didn't have the center diff, so all it did was like the pop wheelies, which made it not drive that great. But I did end up putting smaller tires on it and making it more like a buggy class, and it worked a lot better. I had the 4S Outcast, but I like the center diff, so you're not popping wheelies everywhere you go. It's a lot more drivable. It's a lot more user-friendly. Which you'll notice this one is a lot faster. The gearing's different. It will pop wheelies even with the center diff. It's kind of a stunt truck. take a walk. This one does come with these lights already on it. It's got lights right here, front. It's also got lights in the back. It's pretty sweet. It comes with those lights on there. I think it's at 430 bucks at redcatracing.com right now. I'm gonna be making a jump in the next couple days so I can come out here and start jumping these and getting like about 5 to 10 foot of air with these to see what they can really do and what breaks and what doesn't. I've had this one for, I wanna say 4 to 6 months. I had both back drive shafts break. I ordered some new ones that I haven't had a problem with. It might have been a bad batch on that part, but other than that, I have not broke anything. It's been constant and it works exceptionally well. The shredder I just got for my birthday, which is today, August 29th. I just got this probably a week ago. I've ran it probably 10 times and haven't had any issues. I did have a redcat Econo Pro that I did have a lot of problems with, but their customer service took care of me on that, and pretty much any other problems I've ever had with redcat, customer service takes care of it within the first 30 days or so. They'll send you brand new parts out. They're right here in Phoenix, Arizona, so I like to rep them because I live here. But these two right here are 100% worth the money. I think this one comes in just under 400. So if you're looking for something big, brushless, under 400 bucks, this is the way to go. If you want a stunt truck, that's going to be cheaper than Arma, but keeps up with it because this is 6S capable. I'm only running it on 4S. I think 6S would be way too much. So I got all these stickers came within the pack, so I just kind of threw them on there. You know, I think it's a beautiful truck. It competes with the Arma for a lot less money. It can run 6S, but on 4S, it's perfect. You throw the fans on there and it's good to go, and you got two perfect machines to jump and fly. This is more of a stunt truck. This is more of, if you're not going to do backflips and stuff like that, but you can get nice air. So coming up this week, I'm going to have a jump made, and we're going to send these hopefully to the moon and back, and we'll see what we break. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like.